I read this lovely book a while back called Finding Yourself in the Kitchen by Dana Velden. One of my favorite little tips that she gives in her book on being mindful in the kitchen was when you're preparing to cook dinner, fill the sink up with warm, soapy water and maybe even add a little bit of your favorite essential oil so that you can just add the things that you're using as you cook dinner into the sink when you're done. Not only is this an easy way to keep the kitchen clean while you're preparing food, but it really brings in that self-care, spa, transporting me to one of my favorite places kinds of vibes. I want the kitchen to feel like one of my favorite places because I spend a lot of time there and it's starting to become one of my favorite places. If you have a helper, they can also enjoy and appreciate the dishes spa experience.